Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking a little about skincare. As you can tell, my skin needs some care. So when this company reached out to me to see if I wanted to try some of their skincare, I was all on board because I need some help with my skin. So this company was nice enough to send me out a few things, and I just wanted to show you guys what they sent me. First of all, they sent me this Elevatione Time Stops Preserve Your Youth Foamy Cleansing Gel. And to save a little time, I did already take the wrapper off because that takes up a lot of time. Let's just put a little on our finger and smell it. It doesn't have much of a smell, if any at all. It's just a clear gel-like cleanser. Smells really fresh, really clean actually, so that's what I like. I don't like, and even without water, you can see that it's already starting to foam up on my hand, which I love. I love foaming cleansers. So this is going to be fun to try. They sent me this Brightening Boosting Serum, Vitamin C, Elevatione Time Stops Professional Art Skincare by Salvador Dali. Look at this, you guys. You open up this flap, you take out the little book inside, open it up, and then you have your product. I thought that was so adorable. You can't beat the packaging. The packaging is so pretty. Look at it. I mean, look at that. And I'm going to show you more in depth what you'll see. Okay, this is the Vitamin C Plus Serum. Takes a little while to get it out the first time. Okay. I don't know if you can even see that, but it's clearish. I'm just going to rub it into my hand. Oh, that smells fresh and clean too. It's not overpowering. It doesn't smell like it's going to dry out my skin. Perfumes tend to really dry my skin, and I don't need that right now. My skin is already dry enough. When I told them my skincare needs, I told them I had red skin, dry skin, and I guess this is why they sent me the brightening serum. So, also I told them I have wrinkles starting, so this is going to be perfect, especially this, the age, what does it say? Preserve your youth. This is also by Salvador Dali. Okay, they sent me this cute little box here. This is the Elevatione Time Stops Guardian Night Cream. I want you to look at this packaging, you guys. So pretty. Look at that. It's just beautiful. They really took the time to package their products really nicely. In the box, you will find your little skincare paddle, as I call it. I know that's not what it is. It's like a scoop or something. But here's the product. Look at the top. It's like under glass. It looks so pretty. Or plastic. I don't actually know. But look at that. It's so adorable. This is the Elevatione Time Stops Preserve Your Youth Guardian Night Cream, as I said. You open it up. It has the little cover. You can already tell this is very luxurious, and it's going to do its job. It's thick, and it will really get into your skin at night and leave your face soft. This one has an amazing smell. I'm not quite sure what this smell is, but it smells amazing. Just amazing. Maybe florally, kinda florally. Is that a word? Florally. And you guys, it says right here on their box, I've seen it on all this packaging actually, that they don't have parabens, no SLS, SLE, no petroleum, no mineral oil. This stuff is legit. And then they sent me the Gala Results Box, Light and Bright. Capsule B Plus Technology, Elevatione. I'm not quite sure how they say it, but this one is cute as well. You pull it out like this. In the box, you'll find your Light and Bright Boosting Drops. Look how cute. This is so adorable. So there's your boosting drops. You will find your Light and Bright Face Serum. Let's get a little out. Looks like that. I don't know, my skin's feeling very soft and luxurious right now. This too smells really fresh, really clean, no harsh smell, just a soft scent. Do you know what I mean? I love that. I hate scents on my face, but if they're really light and flowy, I don't mind it. Also, you'll find the Elevatione Time Capsule Light and Bright Face Cream. I'm guessing you'll use this at night, which it's the night cream, and these products in the daytime. So let's switch up arms here. Let me get this off my wrist. Looks like that. Again, smells very fresh, very clean, like a very light citrus type smell. So yeah, you guys, that is all the products. What I'm going to do is I'm going to test them for a week, and then I'm going to come back and show you the results. I'm going to give you a close-up of my face now. Here's what I hate. I have this line right here, and it See, if I frown, it gets deeper. And I'm getting something right here. You can't see it right now. I have makeup on, but I'm getting like a line right here. Like a wrinkle line. Not sure, but I hate it. So when these guys reached out to me to try these products, I was like, yes, please. I'm going to leave their website in my description below. You can check them out. And yeah, I will give you guys an update in exactly 1 week on these products. The products, they smell good. They don't have harmful things in them. And look at the packaging. I'm one of those packaging people. I can be sucked in with nice, cute packaging. That's just me. Anyways, you guys, check back in a week and you'll see my results. Love y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please share my video. I don't mind. And if you give me a thumbs up, if you like this video, I would sure appreciate it.